In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on Jotform in just 5 minutes. Start by ensuring you have an active Jotform account. Head over to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. If you haven't yet created an account, you will need to do so to follow along. Once you have signed in, navigate to the Jotform form where you wish to add your YouTube video. Open the form you want to edit. This is an important step as the video will be embedded specifically into this form. Now you'll need to access the form builder. Look for the add form element button in the form builder interface. This is where you can find and add various elements to your form to customize it according to your needs. Clicking this button will open a sidebar with multiple tabs. In this sidebar, shift your attention to the widgets tab. Here you will find various widgets that can enhance the functionality of your form. Scroll or use the search bar to find the YouTube widget. This widget is designed specifically to embed YouTube videos seamlessly into your form. Before proceeding, make sure you have the correct embed link for the YouTube video you want to insert. To get this link, visit YouTube, find your desired video and click on the share button. From there, select Embed to generate the link you'll need. Having this link ready will smoothen the process considerably. After you have located the YouTube widget in the Widgets tab, click on it. You'll then be prompted to paste the URL of the YouTube video. This is where your pre-prepared YouTube embed link comes into play. Carefully paste the link into the designated field for the URL. Double check to ensure the link is correct to avoid any embedding issues that might arise from an incorrect link. Once you have pasted the URL, look for the button labeled Update Widget and click it. This action is crucial as it finalizes the embedding process, ensuring your video is correctly integrated into the form. Throughout the entire process, remember to save your form intermittently to prevent any loss of work, especially if you encounter interruptions or technical issues. After completing these steps, preview your form to see the embedded video in action. Making sure it appears and functions as expected is the final confirmation of a successful embedding. If any issues arise, retrace your steps carefully to pinpoint and resolve them. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to enrich your Jotform with a YouTube video. Following these steps ensures that you can effectively enhance your form's engagement and delivery with multimedia content. Enjoy using your newly enhanced Jotform.